Hello, everyone. This is Matt Vadney. I'm just doing this quick reminder of what I'm expecting for you to do for the Finding Meaning section of your Wordly Wise Lesson 4. I'm expecting you to, whether you're doing it on the hard copy or doing it digitally, I'm expecting that you're going to choose two phrases to form a sentence that correctly uses a word from word list 4. Okay, that's the directions right there. And I want you to write each sentence. And do me a favor. When you do this and you write the sentence out, whether by hand or by typing it, I want you to say it out loud as you do it. The reason why is because when we say it, which means we hear it, while we are doing it, and while we see it being produced, that multi-sensory input into our brain helps us remember the information, and so it's worthwhile. So for example, let's look at number 1 for one of the lessons, word list 4. It says, here's your choices: to love that person, to cherish someone is, to expose someone, to fear that person. Now, when you do this, focus in on the vocabulary words. Here is cherish, that's a vocabulary word. And here's expose, that's a vocabulary word. But so you focus on those two and decide, well, which one are the others about? So I'll focus on cherish first. Well, I do know that means to love that person. But let me check. Expose is another vocabulary. Does that mean to love that person? No. Does it mean to fear that person? No. So we want to do cherish someone is to love that person. If you're doing it digitally, feel free to select the first portion. Well, actually, I don't want you to do that. I want you to click below D and actually say it and do it. No cutting and pasting. To cherish someone is to love that person, period. Again, I can see this. I can hear it as I say it, as I type it. That's a multi-sensory input into my brain, and it makes me more likely to remember it. Do that if you're also doing this by hand, okay? So let's do another example with the other word list 4. Here we have words like deteriorate and revive. So deteriorate, obviously, it doesn't mean to revive. So when two sentence fragments begin with the word to, you know the other one isn't going to finish that one. To deteriorate is to revive is to. That doesn't make sense. So you just look at the first one. Does that mean to get worse? Or does it mean to feel slightly uneasy? Well, both of those are kind of negative. I know that really can't be revived, so it has to be deteriorate. So I click underneath. To deteriorate is to, okay, so am I going to get worse or to feel slightly uneasy? Well, I know enough about this word that it probably means to get worse, period. Okay, and so that's all I'm expecting. I'm expecting you to write a sentence using these two phrases, saying, just writing B plus A is not an acceptable answer, and I won't take that. I'll consider it incomplete. I won't say it's wrong, I'll just say it's incomplete, and I won't give you a grade, okay? All right, so that's what I'm expecting for finding meaning. I bet you'll do it pretty fast, so enjoy. Take care.